Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm going to with the Google Pixel 11 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Google Pixel 11 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in four colors. You guys have Frost, Obsidian, Pistachio color, and then you guys have a hibiscus color there, so it's like a pinkish color there. So yeah, you guys have depending on what color option that you guys choose, will depend on the storage option. So you guys have 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, this is a Pixel 11 front and back. You guys got your whole bunch of your front-facing camera there. Power and back keys and the rest of the phone. Back of the phone is your triple camera system. Your highlight feature, which is new to shoot to the Pixel 11 lineup. Your Google logo is there. There's the front of the phone, hole punch, your front-facing camera. Volume keys and power button on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone. Right side of the phone. Back of the phone is your triple camera system. Your highlight feature, Google logo, and you have your camera bar. So yeah. To the back of the phone, like I just said, triple camera system, highlight feature, Google logo, in your camera bar, alright? So like I said, you have 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of storage. 256 gigabytes is $899.99. 512 gigabytes is $1019.99, alright? So yeah. So it says here, Pixel devices are designed to work together and interacting with Gemini and moving between your phone, buds, and watch feels effortless. Somebody that they'll mention the Pixel book, but whatever. A stunning, seamless evolution of the iconic Pixel look. It has Pixel's slimmest camera bar yet in its class, and a smooth satin black and polished frame, and with ultra durable glass and IP68 water and dust protection, Pixel 11 stands up to spills and drops. Super crisp close-ups. Keep your photos crisp and clear from a distance with a upgraded 30 times super zoom. Midnight memories made instantly. Night sight pulls in true details and color, so your late night photos and videos look the way you remember. Alright. Everyday productivity help. Gemini Intelligent uses subtle visual cues to keep your focus where it belongs. Gemini works across your apps to finish things faster, like finding your flight info in Gmail and adding it to your calendar. And you can share your camera and Gemini Live for a natural back and forth chat about what's in front of you. The phone designed for your privacy. The new Titan MD security chip. The new Titan M3 security chip and Tensor G6 use post-quantum cryptography, I guess that's how you say it, to help protect your data. A built-in VPN has extra privacy and 7 years of security and OS updates. Keep your Pixel 11 fresh. Pixel device, okay. Understood that. Specs, like I said, you guys have more colors to choose from. Depending on what storage options you guys may want, you guys might want to check your color options. You guys have you guys have Obsidian, Frost, Pistachio, and Hibiscus color options. The Pixel 11 is 6 inches height, 2.8 inches width. Usable materials, you have fingerprint resistive coating. The aluminum in the housing is 100% recyclable content made with at least 33% recycled materials based on product weight, 100% plastic free packaging. So that's good there. The depth of the Pixel 11 is 0.3 inches. The Pixel 11 weighs 6.9 ounces. Nice. Charging port also takes Type-C. Fast charging up to 55% in just 30 minutes using 30-watt USB-C PPS charger or higher. There's your accessibility settings there. It has Gemini, of course, as your AI assistant, obviously. Battery is a 49 to 85 mAh battery, up to 34 hours of 34 hours of usage time. Power share, fast charging, wireless charging. Has 4G LTE, 5G. Has Wi-Fi 6E. Has Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and an AC-AX. SAR ratings, global network deployment and roaming network there. 5G nationwide, 5G ultra wideband. That's your world device, which works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan that you guys have. You have wireless mesh alerts. Cameras is 10.5 megapixel dual PD selfie camera with autofocus of 2.2 aperture. 95 degrees ultra wide field of view. The rear camera is a advanced triple camera system. 48 megapixel wide with macro focus, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, super res, zoom up to 30 times, optical quantity at 0.6x, 1x, 5x, 10x, multi-zoom, LDAF, laser detection autofocus, sensor, spectacle and flicker sensor, optical and electronic image stabilization on wide and telephoto lenses. Video, you have 4K video recording at 24, 30, and 60, 1080p videos at 24, 30, and 60, dual capture, dual exposure on wide camera, digital video zoom up to 20 times, front camera 4K video recording at 30 and 60, creator suite, audio magic eraser, macro focus video, 10-bit HDR video, portrait, cinematic pan, slow motion video, supports up to 240 frames per second on that, 4K time lapse with stabilization, astrophotography, time lapse, night sight time lapse, optical image stabilization for video, fuse video stabilization, cinematic pan, video stabilization, 4K 1080, locked video stabilization, 4K 1080, active video stabilization, 1080, and there's your video formats at the end there. Camera mode, you guys have magic, capture, camera locks, super zoom up to 20, super zoom up to 30 times, camera codes, add me, macro focus, night sight, astrophotography, portrait mode, face on blur, auto on blur, long exposure, action pan, roll time, panorama auto, best take, frequent faces, top shot, editing features. You guys have edit with Ask Photos. That's a Google Photos feature. Auto frame, sky, styles, resize and move objects, portrait blur, magic eraser, best take, photo on blur, zoom enhance, portrait light, audio, stereo recording, speech enhancement, wind noise reduction, audio zoom, performance has Bluetooth 6 with antenna diversity for enhanced quality and connection. It has a Tensor G6 processor and a Titan NP security code processor there. Android 17 on board with 7 years of updates, so it's nice. 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Hotspot, security is fingerprint unlocked, face unlock, fingerprint unlock, face unlock, pattern pin, password. Your screen is a 6.3 inch Super Aqua display, according to Go Glass Victus 2 cover glass, 1080 by 24 pixel OLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. You can adjust it from 60 to 120 Hz. So turn it down to 60, you'll get more battery life. 20 by 9 aspect ratio, and yeah. So back up here to see what comes in the box. So what comes in the box is your Google Pixel 11 smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and that is it. So you'll need a charging brick for that, a Type-C charging brick for that. So send itself in the box there. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Google Pixel 11 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $899.99 for 256 gigabytes or $1019.99 for 512 gigabytes of storage, depending on what storage option that, depending on what color that you guys want. So yeah, there you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it hits me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.